If you're a body shop wondering, are we going into a bear market? We've been in this bull market where things are booming, but now it looks like everybody's yelling about recession and there's all these changing times. And it seems like before COVID, we were in a bear market, and then all of a sudden we had a bull market and there's all this glut of work. And now we might be going back into a bear market. And if you're a body shop who's tired of those highs and the lows and you just want to have good work consistently, there's a system out there called Triage that shows you how to target the highest paying work in your marketplace and how to do it consistently, and then how to handle it when there's a glut of work and how to handle it when there's not enough work, so that you have that consistent growth pattern in your shop. And this is something that I know from my own shops, for myself, we struggled with this stuff. We struggled with this until I was taught the Triage class that I'm teaching you guys. I was taught these principles years ago and it allowed me to grow from one body shop to 8 locations. So this is something I'm going to share with you guys. In and around this video somewhere, there should be a button. Click on it and it's going to give you free access, and it's only a limited time that we have access to this masterclass. So go ahead and click on that button, grab your 24-hour pass, and take advantage of it while you can. This is our gift to you guys. Keep crushing it. We'll see you on the masterclass.